Hello everyone, we had completed our theory. Now today we are going to start our exercise. So let's get started. So starting with MCQ, first is which sculpture has international significance from the art point of view? And here is the A, B, C and D. The answer is Nataraj. Answer B. Second one, which is not correct statement from the following? So here is the four options A, B, C and D. You have to write all the options also, not only the answers. And the answer is option C. Chemistry is not a science of experiment. Third one, Maharshi is equal Charak Samhita and Maharshi Shushrut dash. There is option A Shushrut Samhita, second is Vagbhat Samhita, option C Charak Shastra and option D Shushrut Shastra. So answer A, that is Shushrut Samhita. Fourth one, in the class of school various students discuss about mathematics. Which one is true among them? तो यहाँ पे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. ए श्रेया सेज भास्कराचार्य written book name लीलावती गणित and बीजगणित. Yash said Bodhayan discovered decimal system. Third one, C option, Mansi said Aryabhat is acknowledged of mathematics. And the D is Harda, India discovered zero. तो इसमें से सही ऑप्शंस क्या हैं? श्रेया, मानसी and Harda. Fifth one is book written by Brahma Bharya Panchal is options A Chikitsa Sangra, B is Prajnan Shastra, third is Kama Sutra and the D one is Yantra Sarvasva. तो आंसर आएगा B प्रजनन शास्त्र. Sixth one, in ancient India who brought Brahma Siddhant which declared the law of gravitations? Option A Brahmagupta, B Vatsayanan, C Grumatsamat and the D Maharshi Patanjali. तो आंसर आएगा A ब्रह्मगुप्त. Seventh number, which signs from the following suggest about the principle of directions while constructing temples, palace, अश्वशाला, forest, etc. ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. ए मैथमेटिक्स, बी साइंस ऑफ मेडिसिन, सी केमिस्ट्री एंड डी वास्तुशास्त्र. तो आंसर आएगा डी वास्तुशास्त्र. Now B1 is true or false. First, India has scientifically attitude along with a region's outlook. आएगा true. Second one is chemistry is an experimental science. It is true. Third one is Bhaskaracharya brought Lilavati Ganit and Bij Ganit in the year 1260. That is false. Fourth one is Ashwashastra written by Shalihotra was very popular. That is false. Fifth one is Aryabhatta discovered the laws of gravity. That is false. After true and false, we are going to write fill in the blanks. First is Dash was great astrologer and astronomer. तो आंसर आएगा वराह मिहिर. Second one, an 18 feet high copper statue of Lord Dash has been found from Nalanda. तो आंसर आएगा बुद्ध. Third one is वास्तु शास्त्र is an inseparable part of Dash. तो वो आएगा एस्ट्रोलॉजी. वास्तु शास्त्र है वो एस्ट्रोलॉजी का एक पार्ट है. Fourth one, in Dash book there is a mention of sharp instrument used in surgery. तो आंसर आएगा सुश्रुत संहिता. Fifth one is Shak Muni wrote a book named Dash. तो वो आएगा काल गणन. D1, answer in one word. Who propound that pi is content to show the ratio of circumferences and diameter of circle? Answer is Aryabhat. Second one is who erected the Vijay स्तंभ, जो कि आयरन पिलर भी उसको कहते हैं, in Delhi. तो आंसर आएगा चंद्रगुप्त 2. Third one is who discovered the process of writing zero after a number. आंसर आएगा सेज ग्रुत्समत. Fourth one is what is the unique feature of Indian culture. आंसर आएगा unity in diversity. Fifth one is who discovered the plus and minus signs. आंसर आएगा भास्कराचार्य. Now starting with match the list. So here is the A and B part. First A is experimental science, second is oldest science, Third one is Acharya of Chemistry, and the last one is Vijay Stamp. In B, there is A. Delhi, B. Nagarjun, C. Mewar, D. Astronomy, and the last option is Chemistry. तो उसके A के सामने आएगा E, सेकंड के सामने आएगा D, थर्ड के सामने B, and the fourth one के सामने आएगा option A. Second match the list. There is also part A and B. First is Shalihotra, second is Vagbhat, third one is Bhaskaracharya, and the fourth one is Aryabhat. B part, there is A. Lilavati Ganit, B. Father of Mathematics, third Ashtang Hriday, fourth Ashwashala, and the E is types of equations. एक के सामने D ऑप्शन आएगा, टू के सामने C, थर्ड के सामने A, and the fourth one के सामने आएगा ऑप्शन B. Question to answer the following question in short. First is, what is meant by science and technology? Answer is, science means systematic knowledge, technology means the practical utility of systematic knowledge. Second one is, write about the contribution of Nagarjun in the field of chemistry. Answer is, Nagarjun was the Acharya of chemistry in Nalanda University. He had written Ras Ratnakar and Arogya Manjari based on his research in chemistry. He had advocated the use of allopathy with herbal medicine. And the last point, he had pioneered the use of ash of mercury as medicine. Third one is, write a note on discoveries made by Aryabhat in mathematics. Answer is, Aryabhat was a great mathematician of India and known as the father of mathematics. He had written several books on mathematics. The most notable are Aryabhatiam and Dashgitika. Next point, Aryabhat discovered the numerical 0. Next point, he propounded that the value of pi is 22 by 7, for example 3.14, and that pi is constant to show the ratio circumference and diameter of circle. He introduced the Ashtang method of multiplication, addition, subtraction, square root and cube root. Next point, he found solution of fundamentals of mathematics in the form of arithmetic and geometry. Fourth number, into how many sections in astrology divided? Answer is, astrology is divided into 3 sections. Fifth one, name the pioneer of Vastu Shastra. Answer is, Brahma, Narad, Bruhaspati, Bhrigu, Vasishtha and Vishwakarma were the pioneers in Vastu Shastra. Question number 3, answer the following question in details. First, write about the contribution made by ancient India in metallurgy. Answer is, ancient India had made extraordinary progress in the field of metallurgy. A bronze statue of a dancing girl was discovered from the ancient Indus Valley civilizations. Next point, a number of statues of Lord Buddha belonging to the Kushan period were discovered at Takshashila. Next point, numerous metal idols were made in South India during the Chola period. Next point, metal statue of Nataraj is a masterpiece of sculpture and it's famous all over the world. The metal statue of Ram the Archer is another well-known work of art in metallurgy. Next point, metal idol of Lord Buddha was discovered in Sarnath. Copper idol of Lord Buddha was discovered at Satalganj. And metal idols of the Jain deities in Mathura are excellent specimens of metal work during the Gupta period. And the last topic, architects' metal statue of god and goddess, figurines of birds and animals, metal lamps and battle nuts, crackers are the example of metal art. Second question, write about the development in chemistry achieved by ancient India, or write about the progress achievement in or achieved in ancient India in the field of chemistry? Answer is the progress made in ancient India in the field of chemistry is as follows. Nalanda University had its own school of chemistry and forensics for studies or research. Second point, Nagarjuna was the Acharya of chemistry at this university. Nagarjuna has written Ras Ratnakar and Arogya Manjari. He had advocated the use of allopathy with herbal medicines. He had pioneered the use of mercury as ash as a medicine. The copper statue of Lord Buddha discovered at Satlanganj in Bhagalpur district, Bihar is 7.5 feet height and weight a ton, and the 18 feet tall statue of Nalanda reflected expertise in chemistries. Next point, the iron pillar Vijay Stambh built by Chandragupta has not corroded after more than 1,000 years is the best example of alchemy. Next questions, discuss ancient Indians' progress in medical science and surgery, or review progress in medical science and surgery in ancient India, or give an account of the achievements in medical science and surgery in ancient India. Now, answer is ancient India had attained unprecedented progress in medical science and surgery. Second point, Maharshi Charak had written Charak Samhita, which mentioned more than 2000 medical herbs. Next point, Maharshi Sushruta has written about the instrument used in surgery. Next point, Vagbhat had written Vagbhat Samhita and Ashtang Hriday and made valuable contribution of diagnosis of various diseases. Next point, Ayurveda, Hindu herbal science of the ancient times, is a rich guide to herbal medicines and medicines made from the minerals. A complete description of the process of making medicines, their classification and uses of medicine is given in the ancient works. Second point, the surgeons had skill to operate an abdomen, kidney, cataract, hernia, stone, piles and bladder. They could join the broken or displaced bones, extract the bones that had pierced into body. They perform gynecologic surgeries. They could join the broken nose and ears. They were expert gynecologists and pediatricians. The Vaidya could recognize the symptoms of illness, prescribe medicines and post-recovery dietary instructions. The veterans took keen interest in teaching the methods of surgery to their students by performing surgery and dead bodies or wax statues. Brahma Bharvya Panchal has written Prajanan Shastra. Charak Panidatta had written Chikitsa Sangra. Maharshi Patanjali had written Yog Shastra. Maharshi Parashwar had written Vriksha Ayurveda, and the last one is Shalihotra had written Ashwa Shastra, a work on veterinary science. Next, fourth question, write about the scientific heritage of ancient India. Answer is the great sages of ancient India have gifted invaluable heritage of science to the world. They have outstanding contribution in the field of metallurgy, chemistry, medical science and surgery, mathematics, physics, astronomy, astrology and Vastu Shastra. Next point, India's ancient knowledge has been accepted by the world with gratitude. India's blending of science and region traditional values and practical knowledge is rural witnessed in any other countries of the world. The India heritage is in the basis of the progress made by the world in general and the Western countries in particular. Question number 4. Answer the following question in point wise. First is write about the progress made by ancient India in mathematics, or write the notable achievement in the field of mathematics. Answer is a number of epoch-making discoveries in the field of mathematics were made in ancient India. Decimal system of weighting and measuring was in existence in the Indus Valley civilizations. This was confirmed by the instrument of weighting and measuring discovered at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. यहाँ पे हम मैथमेटिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो उसमें आर्यभट्ट का भी जो उन्होंने इन्वेंशन किया है वो चीज़ भी इंक्लूड होगा। तो आपको ये नेक्स्ट पॉइंट के अंदर क्वेश्चन 2 का जो 3rd नंबर का क्वेश्चन का आंसर है, आपको वो सारे पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं। आप डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन 2 का 3 करके नहीं लिखोगे, आपको क्वेश्चन 2 का 3rd नंबर का आर्यभट्ट वाला जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उसके आंसर आपको पॉइंट वाइज इधर लिखने हैं, उसके बाद ही लास्ट वाला हम शुरू करेंगे। नेक्स्ट आएगा द नेम्स ऑफ नंबर्स मेड बाय प्लेसिंग 53 ज़ीरोस आफ्टर 1 वर डिस्कवर्ड इन एशियंट इंडिया। मैं फिर से आपको बता दूं कि आपको क्वेश्चन 2 का जो 3rd नंबर का क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर आपको लिखना ही है, उसके बाद ये सारे पॉइंट शुरू होंगे। नाउ Bhaskaracharya had written Lilavati Ganit and Bij Ganit. He discovered the signs plus and minus for additions and subtractions. Brahmagupta introduced various types of equations. Bodhayan discovered theorem, and the last one is Apastam defined the measurement Yajnavedis in Shul Sustra. Modern mathematics is rooted in, rooted का spelling आएगा ROOTED, in these discoveries made by the mathematicians in ancient India. Second question is write a short note on astrology of ancient India, or state the contribution of ancient India to astronomy. Answer is the contribution of ancient India to the science of astronomy is as follows. A systematic study and research of astronomy was undertaken in the ancient universities in India. Many treatises were written on astronomy by the ancient Indian scientists or astronomers. The astronomers studied the planets and their movement, constellations and the other celestial objects, and developed astronomical principles based on their calculations. Mathematician Aryabhatta described the main principle of astronomy in his book Arya Siddhanta. He declared that the earth rotates on its own axis and that is the shadow of the earth on the moon was the reason for the lunar eclipse. Owing of his contribution to astronomy, India's first satellite was named Aryabhatta. Brahmagupta propounded the law of gravitation in his book Brahma Siddhant. Varamihir was a great astronomer as well as astrologer. He wrote Panchasiddhantika and provided basic information on astronomy and astrology. He stated the effects of the movements of planets on human being in Brihad Samhita. Now, third question is write contribution of India in the field of astrology, or describe Varamihir's contribution into astrology. Starting with answer, Varamihir was a great Indian astronomer as well as astrologer. He had written Brihad Samhita and astrology. Varamihir had divided astrology into first is Tantra, second is Hora, and the third one is Samhita. He stated the effect of planet on man's future. He had stated the traits of human being, various types of animals, the time of marriage, ponds, lake, gardens, and good omen for sowing. Fourth question is which information are included in Vastu Shastra? Answer is following information included in Vastu Shastra: proper planning for dwelling places, temples, palaces, ashwashala, forts, आर्मरी एंड टाउन प्लानिंग। ये पूरा एक्सरसाइज हमने वीडियो में लिया है, इसका PDF आपको नहीं मिलेगा, तो आपको वीडियो में से देख के ही पूरा चैप्टर लिखना पड़ेगा। थैंक यू।